First thing first, launch your Facebook application and then get logged into your account. Tap onto your profile and then tap on See More. You will see Pages. Go to Pages. In here, you can see that I've already created some presets. If you would like to create some new one, tap Create. Tap Get Started, and I'm going to name it Test 0, and then Next. And once you do so, you have to select a category. I'm going to just give it Musician and Band. Tap Create. And now here, select if you would like to promote your products or services or create content and connect with fans. In my case, I would like to select the second one. Tap Continue here. And then this is what it will look like. Tap Next. Tap Next again. Make sure that you toggle on these. Tap Done. And likewise, now that you have successfully created yourself a business profile, you have to go ahead and make changes accordingly, like add your business phone number, email address, so on and so forth.